First, click on Help. Start the message, type hello, and send it. Type change partner and send it. Click the link. Now, in the new tab that opens, fill out the form that you see, just like it's shown in the video. Now this message will appear whenever the partner is successfully changed. After that, remove all previous accounts, just like it's shown in the video. Now, open a new account. You can open any of these accounts. We recommend the zero account for zero spread. Now, take a screenshot of the account number shown in the video and send it, just like it's demonstrated.